Hi, I'm Shamika from the 5 Choice Project, and I'm going to show you how to attach your camera to a tripod. This is a tripod, which is a stabilizer for your camera, and it has many different functions, but right now I'm going to focus on the actual attachment for your camera. Today I'll be using a Canon 60D DSLR for this tutorial. So first you have what is called the plate, right? And it's usually locked in by this lock right here. So first, what you want to do is push that up. Your plate pops out. Okay? You get your camera. Your camera should have a spot on there for you to attach the plate. It's a screw. You screw it in. So this is how I do it. I flip my camera over, and depending on which way my camera will be facing, I then attach the plate to the bottom of it. Right here is where you would twist the screw into the camera. So make sure it's lined up. You twist it around. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then push the flap down to lock it in place. Next, you take your camera and you slide the plate back into the tripod. There's a little button on this tripod that I have to place the plate down onto in order for me to be able to lock the camera in place. Once I lock the camera in place, I'm now ready to start shooting. And my tripod could go down, all the way back, from side to side. And because my camera is locked in place on the tripod, it will not fall off.